Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you our Massey Ferguson 399 which we're going to restore. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like now, and then I'll show you in a few videos time what it's going to look like. So this is the Massey Ferguson 399, which has got about 86 horsepower and was produced in the 1980s to the 1990s. It's quite battered and it caught on fire just there, so once we restore it, because we're going to give it a new paint job and put some wheel arches on and stuff like that, and replace its smashed panel, and yeah, it'll look so much better. And you can see the more indent of fire on this side, so yeah. And it is the 399. Don't know if you can see that because of the glare, but 399. We were trying to figure out what this means, but we still don't know. We reckon it's 12 horsepower in the front, 12 in the back, the rear. And then you got the inside, it's got a new seat, gear stick, handbrake, little cubby hole. Yeah, so overall it's actually pretty good. And this here has been replaced as well because of previous damage and stuff like that. We are also going to get some new ones of these, the clips, because there's no top. It's meant to be like that with this top bit, but it's gone missing. So yeah, I'll start showing you more. And 399 is the biggest 300 series that you can buy on the market, and it has a highline cab, which is basically that the gearbox runs flat underneath the cab, so there's no like steps up in the cab. And it also is 12 speed on the joystick, so you've got forward and reverse, 12 speed both ways. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then high, low, medium. And it's 4-wheel drive, as you can see, with a big tread. And it's also got 96 horsepower, which is pretty good for a 6-cylinder Perkins engine with no turbo. So yeah, she is a beast.